Hello everybody, this is a video on stain removal of artificial silk. This is a beautiful artificial silk rug and it has beautiful colors, and this is an ivory color in the field of the rug here, and there was a bad stain here. There was actually a dog blood. There was a bigger stain here with some splatters, and there was a tiny little spot there, and we were able to successfully remove the stain obviously without damaging the fibers, and this rug came out beautiful. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick look into the work that we do. If you have any rugs with stains, whether it be blood or pet urine or coffee stains, wine stains, we specialize in Persian rugs and Oriental rugs restoration. We restore the colors of the rugs, and we can apply a specific stain treatment to the rug to restore your rug beautifully. So if you have any questions, or if you have any rugs for us, you can find us online at therugcolorist.com, and you can ask us any questions that you may like. We look forward to hearing from you.